Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to have a look at a Vulkan on Windows on ARM, and in this case specifically a Snapdragon 8cx Gen 2. So I saw the announcement that RPCS3, the PlayStation 3 emulator, is available for Windows on ARM, but unfortunately I wasn't able to get it working, and I have the feeling that they are targeting the newer Snapdragon chips, and yeah, that with the Snapdragon 8cx Gen 2 that you're out of luck. But in the process I was able to get Vulkan installed on Windows on ARM, and with the Snapdragon 8cx Gen 2 it looks like it's not officially supported, and I have been complaining about this before, that with Windows on ARM it feels like you're a second-class customer. Anyway, I found this post that explains how to install a Vulkan driver, and it might not be really developed for the Snapdragon 8cx Gen 2, but it does work. So you have to get it from here, and I think they say version 0.18, and then you have to scroll a bit down. So I think it's this file that you have to get, qcdx 8380. Yeah, qcdx 8380. And well, I extracted the whole archive and then put it in this directory. I created that directory manually, so all the files are there. So in my case, not just the ones that they mention, but I copied them all over there. And then you need to play around with the regedit, the register. So just follow the instructions and then it should look like this. HKey local machine, software, Kronos, Vulkan. Might be that you have to add drivers yourself, and then the D word with the path to this JSON file. After that I rebooted just to be sure, and like I said, unfortunately it wasn't working with RPCS3 with an older Snapdragon chip, but luckily it is working with PPSSPP. So you can see here there is a zip file for Windows on ARM. So if you extract that and then start the executable, so for comparison I also tested with Direct3D. It says Direct3D 11, but I'm not really sure why that is, because if I check with VK, oh, not VK, DX. Oh. It's telling me DirectX 12. So yeah, I don't know what's up with that, but according to Windows, DirectX 12 is installed. So anyway, for a comparison between Direct3D and Vulkan on Windows on ARM. We're going to test God of War. So I've set it to 4 times the resolution. And let's get to the gameplay. So you can see it has a hard time to play it at 4 times the resolution, 60 frames per second, and it's telling me it's running slow. So let's go to the settings and then we'll try Vulkan. So we need to restart. Well, usually it restarts just by itself, but just restarting it again. So just to be sure, settings, Vulkan. So I didn't change the rendering resolution, only the backend. So if we try God of War again, so now it has no problems to keep it at 60 frames per second with 4 times the resolution. So perhaps later on in the big boss battle fights that it might drop a bit, but I was a bit surprised that I get better performance with the Vulkan driver. That's not even official for this chip than with DirectX, and I'm not really sure if there's any problem with the installation because PPSSPP says Direct3D 11. But the good part is that you get some good performance with the Vulkan driver. Well, unfortunately, it looks like that neither Microsoft nor Qualcomm is interested in supporting the Snapdragon 8cx Gen 2, or at least I don't see any long-term support. Yeah, because they say that this is the last known working version. And if you look here, sorry, that was not where I wanted to go. I wanted to go here. So the 018 is from 2 years ago, and there are newer versions. I also tried the most recent version. Wasn't working for me, and I didn't feel like going through all the older ones. So yeah, it's a pity that Windows on ARM is, well, at least with the older hardware, yeah, it still feels like you're a second-class customer. And yeah, I don't think Microsoft nor Qualcomm will improve the support for the older hardware. And well, I think that is also one of the reasons why I prefer Linux, because from what I see, Linux usually supports older hardware for way longer than Windows does. So yeah, I mean, like, if you disagree, then feel free to comment, but also explain why. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.